The Nexus platform will replace Ripple XRP, according to some people. I have been getting questions about this Nexus platform, which claims to connect over 59 cryptocurrencies through 20 fiat currencies, and you can trade all around the world. So some people are saying that this will replace XRP. Now, I did some research and looked into Nexus, so I will present my findings right now and why Ripple XRP is going nowhere. But before I explain to you what is Nexus and why it's not going to replace XRP, make sure you join us, smash the like button. Let's get at least 1,000 likes for XRP being an amazing cryptocurrency. Let's just smash the like button for XRP. That's the only reason why you need to smash the like button. So smash it and join us, because some changes are coming up to my second channel and I post a lot on TikTok, so join us there as well. And let's just jump into it. So what is Nexus? As you know, as I already explained, it connects a lot of cryptocurrencies together and fiats together around the world. You can send money, you can transfer it, you can do what you want with it, okay? That sounds good. So why is Nexus important and what does it have to do with Ripple XRP? So Nexus was created by the Bank of International Settlements, by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and by the National Payments Corporation of India. Now, this is important because Ripple is heavily involved with all three of those organizations. The first one being the Bank of International Settlements, for example. They have in the past claimed that XRP holders are the most educated in the world and have the highest level of income right here. The average education of XRP holders is the highest out of all of the cryptocurrencies, and the average income of XRP holders is also the highest out of all cryptocurrencies. So the Bank of International Settlements thinks that XRP holders are special. But not only that, okay? Ripple is working in the Mojaloop Foundation directly with the Monetary Authority of Singapore. And again, this is the same monetary authority that is in charge of this Nexus with the Bank of International Settlements and the NPCI. So the Monetary Authority of Singapore is already involved with Ripple. So they could be using Ripple's services as an intermediary for this Nexus platform. And if we go to this Ripple handbook that I found online and you type in NPCI, you'll see that Ripple, for example, is already integrated in India's real-time solution payment system right here, NPCI, literally right here. And they use a unified payment interface. And this article right here states that this Nexus model is in many ways influenced by the unified payment interface system developed by Ripple for the National Payment Corporation of India. And that's the exact same UPI that we find right here. So the fact that this Nexus platform was created by the Bank of International Settlements and the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the National Payment Corporation of India and Ripple XRP basically has their claws into all of these corporations and organizations and countries, that means that Ripple could be used, their interledger could be used for this Nexus platform. Because think about it, they will definitely benefit from what Ripple has to offer. So why would they not integrate Ripple's interface and use them as one of the intermediaries? Because the whole point of Nexus is to connect a bunch of platforms together to make an even better platform. So why would they not use Ripple as a part of that engine? They would. So that is what makes me believe that yes, Ripple and XRP is involved as well with Nexus. So now after watching this video, you know the difference between Nexus and XRP, and how Ripple is involved possibly with Nexus, because the creators of Nexus are heavily involved with Ripple. So if anyone on social media tells you that Nexus is going to replace XRP and Ripple, tell them no, because you watched Ayman Muflih's YouTube video about Nexus and you know that Ripple could be used by the Nexus platform because there is a lot of value to be captured by the interledger protocol used by Ripple. So Nexus could be heavily involved with Ripple as well. And again, everyone, if this is your first time here, or if you have not yet already, smash the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes at least for Ripple XRP, and subscribe, because this is the very beginning and XRP is one of our top holdings and we cover them every single day basically. So join us, because 2021 is just getting started in many ways. We still have a long and amazing year ahead of us. Until next time, I'll see y'all very soon. Mr. Muflih.